How to change your IP address on Windows 11. So first things first, head over to the Start button and click on Settings. And from the Settings menu, you're going to head over to Network and Internet. And from here, you're going to be selecting the sort of network connection that you connected in. I'm connected onto Wi-Fi, so I'm going to head over to Wi-Fi. Now from Wi-Fi, you're going to head over to Manage Known Networks. And from here, you're going to select the known network that you have. As of now, I am going to select Eaters Club. And from here, I'm going to select IP assignment, which is automatic. And from here, I'm going to click on Edit. And now instead of automatic, I'm going to switch that into manual, and I'm going to turn on IPv4. And from here, I'm going to select and add manually and change up my IP address and add in a specific address that I want to add. Type in the subnet mask, enter the gateway, and turn on the DNS over HTTPS and select the preferred DNS, as well as turn on the DNS over HTTPS over here in a manual template. Now, once this is done, I've filled in all of the information. What I'm going to do is I'm going to simply click on Save right here. And that way I have successfully changed my IP address on Windows 11 on a known network.